project, Tell Me Who You Are, was about the students exploring their past, present, and future, to finally a culminating activity that led to an art installation in the village of St. Lambert. Having an artist in a classroom and integrating it into my English class in particular has changed the way I teach English. The impact that it has on the students is incredible in that they become more motivated. And you have students who don't enjoy writing, who don't enjoy reading, who don't want to become engaged in English language arts activities. And having an artist in the classroom, suddenly there was this light inside them that lit up because they looked forward to coming to English. Yes, they had to do the reading, yes, they had to do the writing, but suddenly their reading and writing had meaning because it was attached to something more tangible. So they weren't just writing a poem to write a poem. They were writing a poem that was related to their present selves, that was then leading to this mailbox. Students would come to the door who would normally not be interested in coming to English class, be like, are we working on the project today? You know, you suddenly saw this like internal flame, this excitement. It was really eye-opening for me as a teacher because it made me realize that if there's no meaning behind it, if the students don't see a purpose in why they're doing what they're doing, the effort that they put in it, the details that they'll add to it will be less than when the artist is not in the classroom. And the quality of the end product is better.